Do you think any big compromises need to be made when you're aiming for such a low-carbon building, I imagine? Do you think net zero or a low-carbon building can be less comfortable than an energy expensive and underperforming one?
One needs to find the perfect balance between, I wouldn't say comfortable, I would say more finding the perfect alignment between low carbon and well-being, especially when perhaps you have two conflicting elements. One example is the Japanese client, Tokio Marine, came to us asking for a forest at the top of the building. Having a forest at the top of the building is very heavy, so you know that your structure will need to be bumped up because of the presence of this forest, and then your embodied carbon will go up. The question is it worth doing a roof forest at the top of the building? And then is well-being comes into the equation, and you discuss with the client the pros and cons, how much you are increasing your embodied carbon, and the benefits that you believe that forest at the top of the building is bringing for the experience of the employees. One thing that needs to be clear is that the most ecological building is one that will be there for a very long time, that is flexible enough and also loved by the users so much as for them to want to keep it there. The worst thing that could happen is a building that only has 20 years of life. So that's the first thing. So doing buildings that bring benefit to the people who uses is the first thing to do. And then you need to find the perfect balance between things that bring well-being and being as frugal as possible as well.